A common action you may need to do when doing your analysis is you may need to group your fields together, either group categories together because they're similar, or do some kind of aggregation along a measure or a date. So we have a great feature called grouping that you can do this with. So for example, if you have a category that you know, like the two categories are very similar, so you just want to look at them together, you can choose, for example, I know all season and extreme are highly related, so I just want to see them together. I select the two I want to group together, I right click, and I select group. And so what it does automatically is it takes the segment that I was looking at and it groups them together. The two that I selected in one group and everything else in the other. But if, for example, I didn't want to see everything else as an other group, I can go into the field list where this new group was created and select Edit Group. And then from here, I can choose to include all the other things as other groups or not. And so when I remove that, I hit OK. And they're all now separated out into their own individual items, other than the two I grouped together. And this field is just like any other field in your data set. You can use it in charts and move it around and use it however you want. You can also choose to do some kind of aggregation over measures or dates. So for example, if I have this date field here in sales, and I want to look at the months for each date grouped together. So I can go into the field, click Group, and I can choose that I want to bin this by the months. And when I hit OK, the new binned field is created for me in the field list. And like I said, you can just use these in a chart. So I can see that each of the months for 2015 are shown here. And then I can just see my revenue across each of those months. And I can just make that a nice little column chart. So this is a really quick and easy way that you can group or aggregate your data on the fly when doing your analysis.